Phew. It's absolutely boiling today, Jake.
Tell me about it, Lily. It's not just hot, it's scorching and so humid.
Do you know how to describe this heat in English?
If not, don't worry. Today we're learning all about summer weather, from heat waves at the lake to dramatic August thunderstorms. Let's cool down and start. Wow, Lily, June is finally here and it is boiling. I'm so glad we came to the lake today.
Me too, Jake. The sun is so bright, I can't even look at the water without my sunglasses. It's a perfect summer day.
Look at the sky. There isn't a single cloud. It's completely clear. The water looks so refreshing. Do you want to go for a swim later?
Definitely, but first I need to put on some sunscreen. The sunlight is very strong at noon, and I don't want to get a sunburn.
Good idea. The heat is quite intense today. There is no breeze at all, so it feels even hotter.
Yes, it's a typical sunny June morning. I love this warm weather, but we should stay in the shade for a while too.
Agreed. Let's walk a bit more along the shore and then find a tree to sit under. It's the best way to enjoy the sunshine.
Oh, Jake, I can't believe how hot it is today. I feel like I'm melting.
I agree, Lily. It's absolutely scorching. The temperature must be over 35 degrees, and it's so humid.
That's the worst part. The air feels so heavy and sticky. It's hard to breathe. Thank goodness for this ceiling fan.
At least we have iced tea. But even with the fan, there is no breeze. It's just stuffy and still.
I read the forecast and they said this heat wave will last for another 3 days. It's typical for July, but still, it's stifling.
I wish we were at the pool right now. This sultry weather is only good if you are in the water.
True. Let's finish our drinks and find some place with air conditioning. I need to cool down.
Good idea, let's go. This extreme heat is exhausting.
Oh, did you see that flash of lightning? That was so bright.
One, two, three, and there's the thunder. The storm is very close now.
Wow, the weather changed so fast. It was stifling and boiling hot just 10 minutes ago. Now it's pouring with rain.
That's typical for August. The heat often ends with a big thunderstorm. Look at the rain, it's like a wall of water.
I'm glad we found this shelter. It's much cooler now, but I'm a bit wet. The wind is blowing the rain inside.
Don't worry, it's just a summer storm, it won't last long. Usually it clears up quickly and then the air feels much fresher.
I hope so. But look at the sky. It's so dark and gloomy. I think we should wait here until the downpour stops.
Agreed. It's safer to stay here than to walk under the trees during lightning. I definitely need an ice cream after that heat.
Me too. Tell us in the comments. How do you stay cool in summer?
And when you're ready for some golden leaves and crisp air, join us in our autumn video. See you there.